Alright, the wife and I are going to do a dry creek bed today. Got a lot of drainage going in down here. It's constantly staying wet, so we're just going to try to put some weed prevention fabric behind the shed, down this way, as well as underneath our lean-to, where we can park a lawnmower or golf cart or whatever and it stays somewhat dry. So we're just applying all the weed fabric right now.